What is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. I was just yesterday searching on net for the iPhone 10 and just the very same time I saw the news and articles about the iPhone Pro and Apple's 2019 iPhone lineup, and I already knew about that, but a thought just struck my head and that just blew me up. And I think this is going to be the first video on this topic on entire YouTube, and I am very happy to tell you this content. And this is not actually like an interesting topic, but this is a topic which should be taken into consideration, and that is iPhone XS going to be discontinued? And not just the XS, but even the iPhone XS Max. That is the main problem which I'm thinking right now. And I want to also convey to you that why I think that the iPhone XS is going to be discontinued. So guys, the first of all, the only reason what I think about the iPhone XS being discontinued is just go like a little bit in the flashback in 2017 when Apple introduced iPhone X as the iPhone's 10th year anniversary, and like a different kind of display, nice notch, beautiful. That time the notch was also acceptable as Apple offered a full screen display, and it just made a big hype in the market. All other Android manufacturers started to copy the notch technology and started to make like bezel-less smartphones. And it's pretty obvious to say that the iPhone X was the major iPhone or the major smartphone which led to this notch revolution. And I just want to conclude that after that in 2018 we had like the iPhone XS and XS Max, and Apple looked for like 2 months or 2 weeks regarding this topic, and they just discontinued the manufacturing process of the iPhone X, because practically speaking the iPhone X and the iPhone XS shared the same display technology. Just the iPhone XS had a little better camera and in better optics. It just gave like a adjustment focal length, and just there were little amount of features, and that also like hardware features and software features. Exterior was not changed, the display was not changed. So every person thought instead of paying $1,000 for a smartphone, which is just basically a little more advanced iPhone than the earlier years iPhone, so what about going for the older iPhone? So people started to opt for the iPhone X, and still people are buying the iPhone X just because there is not much difference. Even in the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone X, people start to choose the iPhone X. Even in iPhone, the XR, still people don't get the iPhone XR, get the iPhone X. Why that is the condition? Because the iPhone X basically has the best, the same display and the same body. There are not exterior changes. Instead of few antenna bands are more in the iPhone XS, but that's the whole scenario. So Apple looked at it and said let's discontinue the iPhone X. So Apple discontinued it. It's still selling, but not for a brand new. Few stores have their iPhone X stock, so they are just emptying it. And not just that, the used iPhone X. And so there are actually a lot of iPhone X, but Apple has stopped its manufacturing in United States. So it's pretty obvious that if iPhone XS and the iPhone 11 are going to be having the same display technology, for a normal consumer it's just going to be like a more camera addition and not a lot better than that. So it is looking like this, the current scenario, that Apple might just cut up the iPhone XS and the XS Max even, just because it will affect, if it was going for the iPhone Pro even, still there are going to be many people who will prefer or opt for the iPhone XS and just XS Max even for the iPhone Pro, just because there are not many differences. And usually, there are still people using iPhone 6s and they are pleased and satisfied with its hardware quality technology. And just iPhone XS is like a 3-4 year smartphone. You can use it for 2 to 3 years minimum, and at the maximum how much time it lasts for you. So it's not looking, just nobody focused at this point. And I just thought about this and said this is a topic on which I should make a video on. I really don't know, but I want to bring this topic to you guys, that if you're thinking to buy the iPhone XS, new iPhones are going to be arriving soon, so it makes perfect sense for you guys to buy the old iPhones, because its price will just drop when the new iPhones will come, but I just want to tell that it is possible that after the iPhones launch, the iPhone 11's launch, in couple of weeks time, Apple might discontinue the existing iPhone XS and XS Max, and I hope so you have got the message which I need to convey. This is not an information based on any website or any other sources, but this is my personal information, and just I wanted to rewind what Apple has done with the iPhone 10 and XS, and just it might be doing that same with this year's iPhone. So hope you have liked today's video. Just the important message at the conclusion of today's video, I want to just tell that if you are waiting just to see that how the iPhone 11 is going to be or the iPhone 10 is, well, I might just say that you can wait for the iPhone 11 after its keynote. If you think that it suits for you, you definitely go for it. But I also want to tell that the iPhone 10 is at sale now. You can get it around like $800 and the iPhone 10s Max around $900 to $1,000. So it makes a perfect sense. You cannot get the iPhone 10s for this price at Apple Store, but at Best Buy or any other place you can definitely go for it. But I just want to tell at the end of today's video, I wanted to focus on this point. I wanted to highlight this point, and here you go. So I have the main reason of today's video is just to make you aware that Apple might take this step which they did without telling before 2 years. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We are just 20 subscribers away from reaching 1k subscribers. So just share your love by clicking the red button of subscribe, and also click the bell icon, and just keep on watching my videos. Just leave a comment. The comment matters a lot for me. I answer all of your comments, and I like to see what people think about my videos and what they think about different topics. So hope you like today's video, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, peace.